Bottoms up, but only while patrons are sitting down.
All of a sudden, we normally seat 3,500 people. Now we need to sit 5,500 people.
Before tonight's opening of the Great Australian Beer Festival, organisers raced to comply with new rules that outlaw indoor dancing, singing and drinking while standing.
We quickly went and bought 1,000 masks yesterday, so we didn't have those in place the day before.
No new local infections have been discovered. But XOPP at Haymarket is the latest venue worrying health officials. One of this week's earlier cases is believed to have dined at the restaurant. Contact tracers say not all customers checked in using the QR code.
I thought it was all over, and then with this case, yeah, definitely a bit alarming.
Obviously it's scary.
I feel very uncomfortable.
Retailers have also noticed the trend.
People are very slack about it these days. You know, despite the fact that we're reminding people all of the time, they're complacent.
Despite today's encouraging results, authorities warn the threat isn't over.
The chances are we may see some more cases.
More than 13,000 tests were taken yesterday. Compare that to 70,000 swabs on one day during the Northern Beaches outbreak in December. Authorities are pleading for more people to come forward so they can solve these mystery infections. Experts say it's imperative the missing link is found.
There may need to be more restrictions because, you know, if we find that it's spread further, then obviously more restrictions need to be imposed.
A call for everyone to do their part, so that's not needed. Rani Hayman, ABC News, Sydney.
Rani Hayman is tonight at Haymarket. Rani, no new cases today, which is encouraging, but we're not out of the woods yet, are we?
That's right, Jeremy. Here at Darling Square at Haymarket, it appears as if staff inside restaurants and bars are wearing masks, and it appears as if it's business as usual here. And that's what the Premier, Gladys Berejiklian, had said that she'd wanted throughout what she's called these light touch restrictions. Now, authorities have given themselves an initial 72 hours to find this missing link between the couple who was infected with coronavirus from Sydney's eastern suburbs and the infected coronavirus patient who remains in hotel quarantine. Now, we know that authorities are going to assess these new rules on Monday, but with low testing rates at the moment, it is unclear as to whether these restrictions are going to remain in place or whether these restrictions are going to be increased even further. Jeremy.
Rani Hayman, thank you.